Welcome to Georgetown in the island of Penang in Malaysia, and I have literally just checked in to my hotel, and for the next 2 or 3 nights I'm going to be staying in the Century Boutique Hotel, and it is boutique, and I'm going to show you when I come back what it's like inside. And this is costing me for a dormitory room of 4 beds, £6 a night, which for Georgetown is cheap. So it's been a bit of a lazy day. I was in a place called Butterworth, of which I only stayed for 1 night. It wasn't the best place, but you know, and I had planned to come here first thing this morning, but I had lots of admin to do, and by the time I got out the hotel, got to the ferry, it was late. Oops. So basically I'm just going to go around, get a first impressions of Georgetown. Now the ferry to come over here was only 2 ringgit. It was a very short ferry ride. It was busy. For a Saturday afternoon I was expecting that there would be hardly anybody coming on, but Georgetown is a big tourist place for not just Malaysians but Westerners as well. Now my plan is to be here for 3 nights. Tomorrow I'm going to go out and do a full tour once I've done some research, and not too sure where to go next. Now if you have followed me, you've probably heard me throughout Malaysia to say that I have been various places before. I've been to Malacca before, I've been to Kuala Lumpur, I've been to Georgetown before. This was about 9 years ago, and the first difference I can see, so much traffic. So I was a bit lazy getting from the ferry port to the hotel. I got a taxi. I didn't fancy the 30-minute walk because it is a bit of a big island. And that probably took longer than walking. So Georgetown is a big British colonial town. It has so much colonial history and original buildings. And when you look at things like this, and as I said, I've not done any research, and that's going to be done later tonight. But they've kept it looking so good. Wow, some of it. So this is the George. It looks like a hotel. It looks like somewhere that I can't afford on my small budget. The one thing I did start researching as soon as I got some Wi-Fi was food market, and that's only because I've not had anything to eat all day. I tell a lie, I had a small sandwich for breakfast from a shop that was across the road from the hotel, and that is it. Oh my god, they've got a Hard Rock cafe from colonial times. Wow. Now I've not looked at the map, I've no idea where I'm going, so this is just me randomly looking around the streets. And when I was in Butterworth looking over to this side, and I said the island's not that far away, all you can see is high-rise buildings. Oh, that looks pretty old. Older than me. But this is a tourist place. Everywhere you go there's hotels, there is people taking photographs of anything and everything. What's an archway? Do you know what's an archway for? So I remember vaguely when I was here last time, as I said, less traffic, and I was able to walk around and just look at the various buildings without hardly any tourists here. I might have to dig out some photographs from the last time. Oh, she was loud. And this island is embracing Christmas in a good way. That was better. Trying to get through them people there. So in the hotel, in the dormitory, I said it's four-man bunk, and there is only one other person in there. Now this is the sort of place that you would come to, and the hostel hotel is not really that important. It's a place where you just use it as a bed because you're out and about going wow, wow, wow. Just seen the sign saying Penang 2030. What's happening on the island in 2030? Now, if people are watching this and they've been to Georgetown before and they're shouting, "You're going the wrong way," I've no idea where I'm going. This is just a random walkabout to get a feel for the place, which I usually do anyway. And I've seen lots of these little signs. And these were here last time I was here. So Georgetown is a UNESCO Heritage Site. Let's see, across this road. And I know that in the hotel hostel they have so many maps that is available for free. So I'll be getting a job lot of them tonight. Oh. And I've just realised I've come out with no money. Penang Road famous tea chow. Tea chow? There's a queue. There's a queue. I might have to go back and get some money. I've been relying on my Apple Pay too much. So this is a lot of street food coming down here. Oh, I knew it was a bad idea coming here. Can you hear my stomach rumbling? Hi.
Dim sum, sir.
Dim sum's alright?
Yeah, best in the Penang.
Is it?
Yeah, welcome.
It's the best in Penang. Yeah, they've embraced Christmas. Right. Ice cream. I do like that. So I might just go around in a square. So tonight is Saturday night. I know for a fact that there'll be loads of people out enjoying their food with all the money that they've got, the rich people. And one of the main reasons I stayed in Butterworth for one night was because as a Friday night I didn't want to do a weekend here. I fancied having at least one day where no tourists were coming across, and a lot of them have come over for the weekend, which means I can actually have Sunday tomorrow to go around while they're all packing, and then on Monday it'll be quieter, hopefully. So first impressions. Seriously, there are some places that you think that I'm going to try and walk up here. Whenever you go places like I have 8 years ago, 9 years ago, coming here, and I have fond memories, it's always a bit strange coming back to, I don't know, should have stayed away and just remembered their memories, or see if I can enhance them. Right, I'm back on the road. Just seen a sign up there saying Stu's brother. Stu's brother. I haven't got one. Got a sister. And the smell of food is still coming down. Right, I've come across the road. I thought I'd do a back street. Another one. And you know that tonight's going to be busy around here. And this is probably the quiet end. Oh, the Majestic. Looks like an old theatre. Got a date up there, 1926. And they have looked after all the buildings really, really well. I'm even going. Nope, closed. And this takes you to nowhere. Right, let's go back to the hotel. Show you what my £6 a night gets me. And you can be so jealous of my boutique hotel. So I'm back at the hotel and some posh cars outside. And this is the entrance with little fish either side. I'm not too sure if this is a restaurant as well. Receptionist, really, really friendly. I mean, some of the hostels I've stayed in, nothing like this. So this is a hotel, and I think what they've done is gone, we can make money out of backpackers. So I think all these rooms down here are all just dormitories. There is a swimming pool, which is not very wide. This is it. So that's mine. It looks like it might have been a hotel room. And the lockers are probably the biggest lockers I've seen. Actually fit my backpack in. £6 a night. I'm happy. Very happy. I'm not too sure about simple. But yeah, I'm going to be here for the next 2-3 nights. Still haven't decided. I've booked for one night. When I asked at reception if I would have to pay extra to pay them directly, they went, no, you just pay the same as what you paid online, which is good. So if you've enjoyed this video of a quick glimpse of Georgetown, then you've got best that. But if you want to see more, because I will research, I will find out stuff, and I will take you around everywhere tomorrow, then all you got to do is subscribe. But what I'm going to do right now is get some money, go back out and get some food, because I'm hungry. So until next time, bye bye for now.